Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews. Today I'm here with the Jewlybox. If you don't remember my last unboxing, this box is a jewelry subscription. If you couldn't tell by the name, isn't it gorgeous? I love it, I love it. So anyway, they did change the pricing. Now, there are two subscriptions. This is the $29 subscription. It's 3 pieces of jewelry. But there's also the $39 subscription, and that's 5 pieces of jewelry. I do have a coupon code for you guys. I'll put that down below if you are interested in subscribing. The free box coupon is no longer valid. Don't use that one anymore. They're not offering a free box. Now it's a discount. So I'll put that below. I'll also link to them so you can check them out. I'll also link to my full review if you're interested. The box doesn't come like this. It comes in a bigger box. There's like sprinkles. But last month, I remember that I had the bigger outer box, and I just saw the stuff and the sprinkles, and I was like, oh, cool, and I took a picture and I brought it up, and I didn't get to take a picture of that, so I wanted to be sure I got a picture of the pretty bow. It's just presented really well. It's a gorgeous subscription. I love the jewelry I received. Just really nice stuff. Okay. So as you see here, it is. Here's a little paper. It says, hey, Ashley. Now, I don't remember if welcome to the Jewlybox. I read your profile and I'm so excited to style you this month based on what you mentioned in your quiz. It's clear you love creating the perfect outfit with your jewelry. And I did say that. I'm super plain. I like my jewelry or accessories to kind of make the statement. I'm not as much into like bold clothing. This month we styled you with some super fun pieces while maintaining your style preferences. Enjoy your looks. So there's also, you can, if you post pictures of their jewelry to Instagram, you can get your next box for free, which is awesome. Here we go. Here we go. I love these bags. All right, so, oh, girl. Oh my goodness. Is this not gorgeous? What is this stone? I don't even know. It's some sort of like an agate. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with this piece. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Just over top of like a white shirt or something. I just want to like touch that stone. Like really touch it a lot. Oh, it's so cool. I love that. I love that. All right. Okay. So there's that. All right. Ooh. So what is this? Are these earrings? I think these are earrings. Ooh, look at these. So they're like bling earrings. This is like my style, like very like in your face. They're high set, so I don't know if you can see that. The setting comes up over the stone. There's 4 of those. So those are really pretty. And I love, look at this little pink bag. I'm gonna totally keep this forever. All right, so our final piece. Are you guys ready to see it? I'm ready. I want to see. Is this, ooh, look at this. So this is a jacelet. What was I saying? A bracelet. How does it hang? I just want to get it so it doesn't knot. All right, so it's like this. This would actually look, do you guys remember I got this bracelet in the last box? It was like spiky, kind of more like a, what is it, edgy. Like I would call it an edgy. So this would go with that because it has this like chain linked top part. Let's try it on and see. I do have a necklace on already, but oh man, this is so cool. Can I actually get it though? Can I get it? I don't know. Oh, I did. I got it. So this is kind of like more like a choker, and then this just hangs in like a cool. I love it. So let me know down below what you guys think. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. I love when you guys, you know, let me know what you think. I think this box is so pretty. For $29, these 3 pieces, that necklace alone, oh my gosh, my heart be still. So let me know what you guys think. Tell me your thoughts and all that stuff. And I will link you guys below to my full review, and I'll also link to Jewlybox. I'm trying to get this closed properly. There we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.